Hello everyone, my name is Pavitharan from SNS College of Technology, Department of Agriculture Engineering. Our topic is implementation of artificial intelligence in agriculture for drone pesticide spraying. Let's talk about the case studies. Agriculture plays a significant role in the economic sector. The automation in agriculture is the main concept and in the emerging substance across the world. The population is increasing tremendously, and with this increase the demand of food and employment is also increasing. The traditional methods which were used by the farmers were not sufficient enough to fulfill this requirement. These new automated methods were introduced. These new methods satisfy the food requirement and also provide employment opportunities to billions of people. Artificial intelligence in agriculture has brought an agriculture revolution. This technology has protected the crop yield from various factors like climate changes, population growth, employment issue, and food security problems. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Define. The main concern of the paper is to adhere the various applications of artificial intelligence in agriculture, such as for irrigation, weeding, spraying with the help of sensors, and other means embedded in robots and drones. These technologies save the excess of use of water, pesticides, herbicides, maintain the fertility of soil, also helps in the efficient use of manpower, elevate the productivity and improve the quality. Idea. The implementation of drone is discussed. The various methods used by the drones for spraying and crop monitoring. Drone in agriculture. Crop spraying, crop monitoring, mapping and monitoring. Crop spraying. The unnamed aerial vehicle UAVs, otherwise called drones, are chief established on the innovation of sensors and microcontrollers. These drones have been utilized as substance sprays by the farmers since the numerous years now, and they are considered as effective and of great importance in the situation of cloudy climate, and has also solved the problems of inaccessibility to a field of tall crops, for example maize. Additionally, they are likewise accepted to have a solid favorable position contrast with the satellite airborne sensors of high picture resolution. Retrofitted an air carrier plantation sprayer with a microcomputer based sprayer control framework, a foliage volume estimation framework in view of ultrasonic range transducer was interfaced to the PC, which controlled the 3 nozzle manifold on each side of the sprayer by utilization of control calculation depend upon the amount of spraying deposited. Crop monitoring. Utilize drones for spraying synthetic substance on the yield, where the drones are joined to actualize a control circle for horticulture application. These drones were implemented with a sensor conveyed on the crop in the field known as remote sensor network, which controlled the way towards applying the synthetic compounds. The data requirement by these remote sensors limited drones to spray the synthetic substance only into the assigned region. The framework utilizes a profoundly coordinated and ultra-low power MSP430 single chip minimized scale PC with a free practical module. The sprayer consistency for the UAV testers was better than the standard requirement for ultra-low volume spraying variety coefficient. Developed a PWM precision spraying controller for unmanned aerial vehicle. Pulse width modulation. PWM controller for unnamed aerial vehicle. Accuracy spraying for farming utilizing a TL494 fixed resonance bit width modulator together with a information obtaining board and created programming. A UAV can be remotely controlled and automated by pre-modified flight planes. Mapping and monitoring. The sprayer is one of which scrambled the sprayed liquid, which is possible suspension and emulsion are an answer into the tiny drops and launch it with a negligible power for circulating in approximately. It is additionally in charge of guidelines of the measure of the precision in order to maintain a strategic distance from extreme application. The region which is required to the spray differs with the separation between the line of plants. Separation between the plants into the similar line just as the development of harvest. In addition, it is important to complete sprayer alignment practice before impensed. Real spraying work to guarantee to uniform use of pesticide on the yield. Pesticides are for the most part connected on the objective of sprayed droplets which comprise the both fine and core drops. They are characterized in terms of their distance across and thickness on the objective. In fact, now and again the objective leaf area which is required to secured might be a lot of more prominent than the ground region. The leaf area index is the proportion of leaf area to ground area. Advanced sensors and imaging capability has provided the farmers with many new ways to increase yield and reduce crop damage. Unnamed airplanes, which are used for practical purposes in recent years, have taken a buzzer flight. New sensors mounted on UAV with high-tech cameras being the eyes of silent on the ground and optimal procedure for survey, data acquisition and analysis are consistently developed and tested. Conclusion. The agriculture industry faced various challenges such as lack of effective irrigation system, weed issue with the plant monitoring due to the crop height and the extreme weather condition, but the performance can be increased with the aid of technology. And these problems can be solved. It can be improved with the different AI-driven techniques like remote sensors for farmers and can spray pesticides and herbicides effectively in their farms. With the aid of drones and the plant monitoring is also no longer a burden. For starter, storage of resources and jobs can be understood with the aid of man-made brain power in agriculture business issue. With the assistance of the various systems examined, quick and non-damaging high throughput pathotypic would occurs with the upside of adaptability and advantageous activity and record access the information and ideal goals. Thank you.